How to use Instagram edits AI style for videos. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Using the Meta AI powered Restyle and effects tools in the Instagram edits app allows you to completely transform your videos with artistic presets or text descriptions. So open up Instagram and edit and then start up a new project. I'm just using a previous project. Now once you open a new project here, ensure the clip you want to edit is 10 seconds or short. So you want to make sure that the clip is 10 seconds and shorter, and here you can see I have a clip that is only 3 seconds. Then what you can do is tap the Restyle button on the toolbar. So here down below you should be able to find the Restyle button. If you do not find the Restyle, tap on that particular clip and then you should be able to find the Restyle option. Or you can see the retouch option, you can also see replace option, you can see various options. You want to find the Restyle option, it should be available right here. And you can proceed to, what you can do is you can proceed to text prompts, add in the text prompts. Now you want to make sure that the feature is available in your region as well, because sometimes it can not be available for everyone. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version.